All right, I'm using the Professional by Benefit Cosmetics as my primer. I really like this primer. I feel like it does go into the pores really nice. But I'm also going to be taking my MAC Matte cream, and this is going to go on my T-zone. And I really hope that it just helps super mattify it so that it doesn't break up. I know that some people, when they sweat, it tends to break on their nose, and I feel like that helps me a lot. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Honey Medium. And I'm just going to use that as my primer and base for my eyes. Fingers are my favorite thing to blend that out with. So I'm just going to take my fingers and pat that in, blend it nice and out. Not taking it all the way to my brow bone, but just right around my lid area. I'm going to take my Aaliyah by MAC palette, and I'm going to be going in using the brown and taking that just to do my crease. I'm going to start at the corner, blending it inwards, and I'm just using a nice fluffy brush to blend. I'm just going to be sweeping that back and forth, and I'm going to keep on going, just packing it in, making it nice and buffering it out. Now I'm going in with the deeper brown, the darker brown in that palette, and I'm going to just hit it on the corners and really focus more so on the corner, pulling it in a little towards my lid. Now I'm going to take that deep brown again, and I'm going to pop it right into the corner of my lid, not going past the crease. So I'm going to create a halo marble eye, so it's really important to do that. And I like to leave the middle spot blank and just blend the top. Now I'm just going to go ahead and deepen up that area on my actual lid with the deepest color on that palette. Like I said, leaving that middle part really with not so much color. It's okay if it has some color, but you don't want a lot of color on that middle part, because that's where I'm going to add my other colors to make it pop. But I do, if you can tell, kind of connect those two on my crease. And I'm just blending that bitch. All right, and now I'm about to, once I'm done blending that, I'm going to go into my purple shade. I really love this shade. With a nice flat brush and using my Prep and Prime spray, I'm going to spray my brush after I place the product to just help brighten that and heighten it up. And I'm just placing it right into the middle part of my lid towards to the crease, right where I have absolutely no color, and kind of just going with a nice little forward and back motion to just kind of buffer it out. Now I'm going to go in with this Balm Silver, and I'm using a kind of more tipped, I would say. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it at the moment on the outline of that halo. And then I think I also am going to go ahead and just pop some connecting my halo right there at the crease. And you'll see when I do it right here. So I'm just going to connect it. Kind of like a little box. You see that? And this, I feel like, kind of helps create that marble effect that I'm trying to go for. I'm going to go back in, though, with my flat brush and that purple to kind of blend it out a little bit so it's not so harsh. So it still kind of has some nice blend, you feel me? Because it's a little harsh right there. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX Crystal Liner, and obviously in the silver, and I'm going to place that all over where you have that purple. So I'm not going to lie, y'all. Originally, I was going for a Galaxy Eye, but then once I saw it and a lot of people saw it in person, they were like, it kind of looks like a marble flooring. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. That's what I'm going to say. It's going to be a marble eye. And I think this is where the marble came in versus the Galaxy. So I'm going to take, they're both NYX eyeliners. One is in gold and one is in white. I'm just going to create little dots all over. And I tried to do that little star thing, you know, where they do like the little cross to make it really nice and star. But honestly, the brush on this eyeliner was a little too thick. So it just looked a little too thick and more like a chunk versus a star. But it's okay. It came out cute. So then I just go over the gold with it. And honestly, it really came out marbly. So take a look at that. So that's going to be my marble eye. How pretty is that? Not Galaxy, but definitely marble. And I'm just using my Lily lashes, pop those things on. And now I'm taking my MAC eyeliner in the color Smolder. And I'm going to pop that right into my waterline. And I truly love this eyeliner Smolder because, like, I kid you not, it is the best to give you that smoked out look, especially on the bottom of the eye. So I'm going to place that on the bottom. And then I do smoke it out, but I don't feel like I recorded that part. Now I'm just going to take that silver again, and I'm going to just pop that right into the tear duct to just pop out my eyes. Fire, fire. And I was trying this Clinique Even Better foundation. I really like it. But now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just contour myself out. I am just using some banana setting powder under my eyes. I definitely forgot to record that part. My bad, y'all. And then I'm going to go ahead and just contour my nose as well. Getting nice and chiseled, y'all, you know what I mean? And now I'm going to go ahead and sweep up under my eye and get all that banana powder off, making sure that I have a nice blend between my contours. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte in the color Party, and I'm just going to be popping that right onto my cheeks. Now I'm taking the Becca highlighter in Bronze Amber, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that, you know, where I want to pop, 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 and highlight. So that's just on the top of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. Now I'm taking my MAC Cosmetics Dazzle Glass in the color Go for Gold. I really like it because it just has all these pretty gold flakes in it, and it makes my lips look nice and full. It's really one of my favorite glosses from MAC. So I'm just popping that on. And I ran out of my setting spray, so I'm using my Ulta setting spray, my Ulta matte setting spray. And y'all, it does its job, so I fuck with it. And there we have it. Here's my marble eye look. I hope that you enjoyed it. I got a lot of compliments. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.